yung inhalers.
Kuha ka lang nila.
Oh, that's what's so serious kanina, ha?
Why? Kinuha ka lang?
Yeah, go.
Kuha ka ng tissue.
Yeah.
Hindi ka kumakain ng tissue.
I'll go.
This is
Malapit.
good, ha? Anong ginagawa mo? Ano to?
Olive oil, saka toyo.
Steam.
What do you want, ito?
Sige mo na.
Kabigay ang plato mo.
Konti lang. Saka bacon.
More?
No, thank you.
Nagiging chef na talaga, no? You
La
fall back.
bandera, no?
La bandera.
All around.
Oh,
Wala, no?
La bandera.
Wala.
Cook.
Chef na mas maganda.
Chef, yeah. La bandera. Chef.
Ano, plancha.
Linis pa.
Plancha.
Lahat. Wow, so na yun, your mom is for sure also looking forward to
Oh,
ano
the
siya
test.
na
Oh, the test. Yan.
kung
Oo.
ay, nabiguan mo
Siyempre.
si Ian at si Nikki, di dapat ako din.
Oh, pati ate mo magiging sa'yo. Eh.
How do you feel
Eh?
about
About ano?
today?
I'm okay. I said already, hindi magsusing-sing sa akin.
Ang kailan nito?
Maybe not even later.
Ikaw yung kailangan nakasano. Kanina kasama ko. Usually silang lahat, nagsisink in pag upo nila dun. Pero even the minute before that, wala. Pero pag ano na, pag lumabas na si Tony, doon na nila na.
Sa akin is more the reason why I'm not easy. Diba sinabi ko na it's like, kung
Wala kang baso? Wala nang baso.
yung nandito siya, diba parang laptop na life. Ito yung pagbibilang mo sa mga it's 3 months and it's separated na ako. Learn the love, enjoy it. So parang good flow. If I would, when I was out there after a month, but the gap that we would see the others much bigger, much longer.
Why?
Because, see, if I'm 1 month, but and now after 2 months later, or however, how many months later you're going out to the gap is big. But now it's just a month compared to the whole.
Wala man.
But diba, it's 1 month
Kapag
left.
naman sa yun.
Oh,
Gusto niya ng toyo?
I thought from the start. If I go, then go with the story.
What? Eh?
I'm okay if I would go, I'm okay if I would stay. Like everyone was okay here in the house. Pero what happened is more unprepared to go out. So I didn't miss anything here in the house.
Sa'yo mo.
Ang daming ano.
Mm-hmm.
Ang lalim nito eh.
Don't worry, man.
Ano yung sabihin ng book?
Like, whatever comes our way, it's gonna be all
Ang
good.
hirap pag ginawa mo.
Yun nga, first time
Okay.
ko.
Alam mo ba kung paano ako sinabihan ng video? Dahil lang ano. Ito na, maaari ay ito na ang lunch. You know, Mickey,
No?
Hindi, dahil nga posible, umalis ko na.
Mm-hmm.
Alam mo, bata ko daw. Dahil daw may special na relasyon daw. Kainin na lang.
Oy! Oy talaga?
Ewan ko.
Sobrang sense talaga. Ikaw yung out of your way na. At masarap ah.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry yung tagal.
No.
Yun yung mga
Right now, you will have come with the
What?
It's worth the wait.
It's not necessary that you have to do it right. So, hindi mo alam
Ikaw parang ano ka, compared to Mickey, mas iniisip mo siya kasi
Hindi, hindi ko naisip ko. Kasi alam ko na yun. Alam ko na ako.
Ano, pag magkausap kaya tayo lagi sa nababang.
Hindi,
Mas
kasi,
naisip na niya.
hindi.
Alam mo na,
Parang, kasi parang, yun nga, dito ko iputol yung stay ko. So, hindi, parang, installment yung getting to know everyone truly. So, maybe yun lang.
So that's the
But
difference.
it's all good.
Talking
When
to
you take it outside.
Siya, yung sabi ko that, bantagal ko na dito.
Oh.
And that was always here. I was not out and out. And then, sure yung Bondi at yung pinagdaanan natin closer.
kaya ka nang na-miss mo.
Mm-hmm. That's
Yeah,
right.
that's what I was trying to say.
Yeah, so now, see,
Pag alis na din yung sunod walang nakalis. Diba?
Mhm. A lot of weeks na walang umagas. So that's it. Yun and then one thing that I don't know is like parang like for Sian maybe talk more because yung nga palagi yung cap na got chance and then there's it up again. So hindi ko lang isang dito. I would not think everything.
Yeah, that's it. We enjoyed the week. I enjoyed the week so much, actually. So if I go out tonight, it's okay. Fun na.
Ako hindi ko nasabihin na may aalis until the next morning na wala na ng tao.
Huh? I think it depends.
Hindi ko talaga nasabihin. Parang nasa bahay lang. Ano yun? Yung paggabi. Andun lang. Hindi ko
Natutulog ka eh.
I think it depends.
Hindi pa. Yung paghatid sa door, hindi ko pa nasabihin. The next morning, ito dito.
For example, every evening. For example, kung si Boss Alice, diba? For example, every evening has to pray, diba? Go to the prayer room, wala siya.
Hindi pa rin.
You will feel that. Na parang, I see.
Hindi pa. Ako
Hindi?
pa. Low din kasi ako eh. Hindi, nag-register mga bago. Di ba, kunwari,